Hey guys, what's up? My name's Adam. Welcome back to a video on this day, guys. I'm with my friend Moth. Say what's up.
Lamp.
Okay, so basically, we're just gonna be looking at some interesting Fiverr things. I don't really know what this video is about, but yeah. So sending your stuff.
Okay.
Okay, stop sending moths. Stop.
Dude, this guy is charging $26. $35.
$35. $35 for what? I'm already laughing. I don't know what it is about. I'm just clicking it. I'm clicking it. I will draw a moth character for $35. You have to, if you want it to be colored, you have to. It's $5 extra.
Yeah.
And standard's $20. Standard $20, but it's 35. Oh, because maybe it's okay, maybe it's USD. Okay.
Adam.
What?
Okay. I want to show you something, but I'm gonna screen record it. Okay, so make sure you're recording Discord. Okay?
I'm recording Discord, man.
Okay.
I'm scared. I'm honestly kind of scared. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to think about this. What's gonna happen?
No, it's all good. Okay.
Is it a link? Enemy boob.
Oh, stop. Wrong one. Okay. So read this one. Okay.
I will train you in Minecraft. Okay. Emerald Minecraft clan.
How much is this guy charging for this? Okay. 2-day delivery for him to train you on Minecraft. Dog.
Oh.
Wait, do I get some honey discounts? Oh.
Well, you do. You do.
Okay. Let's do this, okay?
I'm looking.
I kinda wanna buy this. Dude,
Don't.
One day delivery is $7.
If you buy it, I'm leaving. Don't buy it.
I will train you better and more effort. Wait. I will train you better and more effort and more time than normal.
What's the super premium? What's the super premium?
I will train super well. Do way more hours with you and give you in-game items.
In-game items. Tate. But my question is.
$6. Oh, I'm gonna buy 20.
No, don't, Tate. $169. Okay, Tate. No, don't. Okay, you're not even logged in. Okay, Tate. My question is, okay, get off this. Stop. This is a kid-friendly channel. Okay, so my question is, if you buy the super premium, will you join the Emerald Minecraft clan like he has in the thumbnail?
Oh shit.
First Stop it, Tate. Okay, I'm gonna stop screen recording and I'll go into the next thing. I love how like our two text bubbles are just the most cringy things. we just have Allie and the moth. I'm gonna lose my voice from laughing. Okay, so the next thing, Tate, you got this. You always give me a good thing. What is it this time? What is it, Tate? Are you good? Are you good? Tate, I don't think you're good.
Turn on screen share.
It is on. Oh no.
Let's crack the knuckles for this one. I will shield your couple from whatever this means. 1 hour. One hour.
One of them.
Angelic, right, powerful relationship. Push to 9/11.
I just don't get the title. What are we gonna find?
Or hang out, dude. You're honestly sad if you buy this.
Nah, dude, you need someone. You don't. If you got no friends, you know, just like hang out with some Just pay someone $44 to hang out with someone on Roblox.
Look at this. How many people have bought in this?
Probably no one.
2 people.
What? This guy must be making bank.
$44.
This guy is making bank.
I'm gonna be making bank.
You're making one? Bush did 9.
Moth equal lap plus lap. If I do a thing of a moth hitting the Twin Towers, will you keep that in your video?
Yes, honestly. Hopefully no one gets bullied by it. Like, hopefully no one. I don't know. Yeah, I'll do it. One sec. No.
Ready?
Yes. Do it slowly so we can just like sink it in.
Boom.
I don't know why I'm laughing at this.
And then
Oh, I'm making a black box.
that's a person.
Dang!
Good night.